Proudly presented by Smart Hire. Beginning with the concrete mower, fit a water hose to prevent dust circulation. Use the metal handle to adjust the throttle and make sure that the red safety button is off by clicking it into the outward position. Fit the diamond blade and check the dust guard. Start the machine on low revs by yanking the pull cord before raising the front and opening the valve to check water flow. It is then appropriate to begin grinding with even, circular rotation over the area. Finally, wash away any debris and admire your handiwork. This machine is appropriate for rough surfaces used in order to smooth out bumps and expose aggregate. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.